Hello there. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Today I'm going to teach you a very important subject on Filmora 12 platform. Filmora 12 is now available, and if I'll suggest you, if you have been using some lower version, please upgrade it to Filmora 12. I will cover the topic of how to blur the background. There are two situations wherein you can blur the background. Number one, when you shoot something on portrait mode and the black screen will be coming at the side of the screen. So hide that thing. What we need to do, that will be taught today. That is number one. And secondly, I will teach you if the entire screen or video is in landscape mode, and if you want to hide the background and only you want to show a particular image, a particular person, then what we'll have to do. Basically, these two topic I will talk about today, and I'll show you to the computer screen. So without much delay, let's hit the computer screen. Yes, now we have come to the computer screen. First we need to import the videos where we can change the background or we can bring in the blurring effect. So I will go to the media, and from there I will import the file. So I import this file and I will bring it to the timeline, and thereafter I will keep project setting as 1920 1080 25 fps. So the video has come. Now you can see this portion, you can see my mouse pointer, and you can find out this left and right portion are black. It doesn't look good. To hide that thing, we need to go to the effect. Then we have to search for background blur. You can find it through utility column also, that will come at left side here also, but I will show you how it can find it easily from search bar. So I will go for background, and the thing has come background blur. So there are basic blur, slant bar, gray bar. So I will just show you the basic bar. Just hold it and drag it and put it on the top of your basic video. See, the background has already changed. Let me play the video. Video is being played, and see, the background has changed. You can go for slant bar as well. There also a different kind of blurring impression will be appearing. So you can go for gray bar as well. There also different kind of background impression will be appearing. So this way you can change the background wherein you are using portrait image. In that case you can use that. Now I will go to the second topic, that is when the image is landscape mode and you want to really change or hide the background or blur the background. So that case, what we will have to do, let me first delete all this and let me go to the media. Then I import some file. Let me import some file from here. Let me import this file. Okay, or along with that I may import this file as well to give you a better understanding. Now the file has been imported. So what we'll have to do, again you can go to the utility, or directly you can go to the search bar of effect. Effect is important. You have to go to the effect first. Here you can see the mouse pointer of mine, and there you can write tilt shift, we have to go to search bar and we'll have to write TILT, tilt, SHIFT, shift. So you can just click on the tilt shift. Now you see tilt shift circle has come and tilt shift linear has come. There are two options to blur your background. One is tilt shift circle, one is tilt shift linear. So I will first show you tilt shift circle. I just bring it down just top of my original landscape video, and thereafter if I play the video, you can see the entire background is blurred, but you can also see when I'm moving, then I'm also going to the blurred position. So to counter that, what I'll have to do, I'll have to click on the effect, double click, and then there will be a circle. Now you can bring or place the circle somewhere wherein you can see the visible portion or the clear portion, and the rest portion will be blurred. So you can see that I have brought it like this, and now my face is clear even though it is going beyond the circle. So some point of time, so I can increase the diameter of the circle, so everything will be covered. See now, so my face is very clear and the rest of the portion are in background. I'll show you once again. This is the thing has been happening. You can see my face very clearly and the background is blurred. This is it. And I will also show you for tilt shift linear. What will happen, I just bring it down here. I will bring the cursor here. You can see the entire background has been blurred. In this case, what you'll have to do, you just have to double click here and you can see this pointer. Double click on that and you can move the pointer like this. Wherever the pointer will be, you will be, see, I'm enhancing or increasing the pointer and my entire face has been covered. So this way you can do it. Now if I want to play the video, it will look like, since I'm stationary, there is not much hassle. You can see the entire background is blurred and my face is very clear. I can play the video once again. You can see that, yeah, the entire background is blurred and my face is very clear. You can, if you want to reduce it, the portion of the clarity, you can reduce it like clicking here. You can reduce it, yeah, like this. Now you can see, not here. I'll bring the cursor at the beginning of the video like this here, and now you can see the full clarity of my face and the entire background is blurred. So this is it for the video. I hope you have understood the thing, and if you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So whenever there will be any kind of video I will be uploading, you will be getting the free notification. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.